Why post title is not showing first? It is showing blog title first on a browser tab title. Today I am here to solve this issue. Hello friends, thanks for joining me. This is Chogyal from the channel Sir Chogyal. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Some blogger themes are not showing post title first while opening a blog post by default. If you wish to show your post title first on a browser tab title, you can easily edit your blogger theme to make this happen. It is very simple and easy. Let's click here on view to open my blog post. You can see here my blog title is showing up first with the post title at the front. So what we need to do is just go to theme and click on edit HTML. Now let's copy this code. Don't worry about the codes. Link to the codes are given down in the description. Left click inside these HTML codes and press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Now paste the codes here and hit enter on your keyboard. We have to replace this code with this code. Just delete this old code and paste the new one. Save your theme. Now let's reload my blog post. You can see here my post title is showing first and then follows the blog title, which looks much professional, much better than before, right? This change can also show your post title first in the Google search engine as shown here. Hope this helps you guys. Goodbye. Until next time.